How to use Reddit mobile app for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and simply search for Reddit app and install it on your device. As you can see, I've already installed the application. So simply tap on open and you'll be landed on the Reddit mobile app page home screen. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, switch to a cellular data as well. So what you simply need to do over here is you can either continue with your Google or your email or username. So I'm going to tap on continue with Google. So let's agree to receive emails and then simply select on your account. And as you do that, you just have to enter your login credentials. It will directly automatically log in with your Google account, and that's how you'll be able to use your Reddit application. So what you can see over here is you can simply see the home icon where you can see all the people that you follow, or you can see the For You page. Then you can simply tap on the plus icon over here to create any sort of post. So you can simply post over here as well. You can add photos, videos, or anything that you would want. You can have a chat on the chat section with any of the following people or your friends and so on, and then tap on inbox as well if you want to receive any sort of messages. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.